Whether you're hanging a picture frame in your new home, planting flowers for the spring season, or working on your car, these toolkits will help make your life easier. There are many products available to choose tool sets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tool sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Craftsman Cordless Drill Combo Kit. This power tool set has only 2 tools, a drill and an impact driver. Each tool has a 20-volt battery for high power, built-in LED lights for better visibility, and a compact design for comfort. You'll also receive a battery charger and a carrying case to hold the tools. What customers are saying. Suitable for all drilling needs around the home, happy customers didn't have to compromise between a power drill or an impact driver using this combination kit. Included in their 4- and 5-star reviews were the combo kit's carrying bag, rapid charging system, and overall quality of the power tools. Conversely, some customers felt that the tools weren't fit for heavy-duty use and said that they felt too flimsy. Number 2. Apollo Tools 39-piece hand tool set. This kit has all of the hand tools you need to perform the occasional project around your home, like hanging a picture frame or putting together a piece of furniture. The set includes scissors, a tape measure, a utility knife, screwdrivers, pliers, Allen wrenches, and more. What customers are saying. Overall, satisfied customers said that this simple but reasonably priced hand tool set came with durable tools that stood up to everyday use over the course of several months or years. They included that the tool set was the perfect starter kit for small jobs or new homeowners who wanted to tackle basic repairs around the home. Critically, some customers said that the tools felt cheap, and others said that the size of the tools was smaller than they expected. Number 3. DeWalt Cordless Drill Combo Kit. This power tool set builds off of the previous one and contains 10 tools in total. It includes a drill driver, reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, grinder, work light, Bluetooth speaker, and more. All of these tools are powered by 20-volt lithium-ion batteries. What customers are saying. Despite the high price tag of this comprehensive power tool set, satisfied customers said that the do-it-all value of the tool set justified its cost. They also highlighted the tool set's 20-volt lithium-ion battery system, which made charging and powering each tool fast and easy. Alternatively, select customers thought that the included tools in the set were outdated compared to current models from DeWalt, detracting from the overall value of the set. Number 4. DeWalt Combo Power Tool Kit. This tool set comes with 4 power tools, a drill driver, a circular saw, a reciprocating saw, and a work light. All of the tools are cordless and operate on a 20-volt battery. The kit also comes with 2 20-volt batteries, a charger, and a bag that holds the tools. What customers are saying. The majority of customers who reviewed this combination power tool kit from DeWalt gave the product a 4- or 5-star review, highlighting the set's versatility, power, battery life, and overall utility in and around the home. Reviews with 3 stars or less criticized the quality of the circular saw, which bogged down for certain users during otherwise routine cuts. Number 5. Craftsman Mechanics Tool Set. This mechanics tool set is slightly smaller than the one from DeWalt and has only 135 pieces, but it includes a wider variety of tools. In addition to the socket and Allen wrenches, the kit has standard wrenches and a screwdriver base with different head attachments. What customers are saying. Though this tool set is designed for mechanics, homeowners and customers of all kinds found use in each of the 135 included pieces. Positively, they liked the solid feel of the tools and included lifetime warranty from the manufacturer. Negatively, customers were missing various pieces of the 135-piece set, and the socket extension tool broke during the first use for one customer. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.